Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to make money in your Twitch account. So to make money in Twitch account, you need to follow the simple steps. So I'm gonna list out this article where it says the ways to make money on Twitch. So as you can see, one of the easiest way of making money is live video is the popular one. So it's an opportunity for the viewers to watch and interact with the favorite gamer, musicians, and content creator in a real time. And all of the streaming platforms on the web. Now, Twitch stands out in an impressive 335 million daily visitor, and anyone can join Twitch building and a community and start monetizing their content. Likewise, once you've established audience, you can become a Twitch affiliated and start earning through Twitch built-in monetization features like subscriptions, virtual currencies, and all that. Next, you could also go ahead and, build stable income streaming, such as, you could go with this one, collect donations or set up donations, or, you could also do with the PayPal donation or cryptocurrency, or else you could also go ahead and sell the merch. So you could go and read the article on this page and find out the ways to make money in your Twitch account. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.